Hi there, I'm Java Jim with First Line Equipment. Welcome to our YouTube channel if you're new. Welcome back if you've seen my videos before. Today, we have in front of us the Lelit Anna TEM. There is an EM model that we carry, which is the non-PID. This is the PID single boiler, dual purpose. And what does dual purpose mean? Coffee, hot water mode, and steam mode, which means you gotta go to hit the steam button or switch here to get it into steam mode. But the purpose of this video is, in Italy, they set the machines for the US. Lelit sets the machines for centigrade. And how do we get to Fahrenheit? Because there have been customers asking, and Lelit sometimes changes the programming just like any other manufacturer. So today we're gonna go over two little tidbits that you may not see in the manual. Okay, this machine is nice and warmed up. Typically takes about 10 to 15 minutes depending on your ambient temperature. And it's nice and warmed up here. Oh, just knocked over the nice Lelit Cups, which you do sell on our website. To change this to Fahrenheit while the machine is on, you're gonna depress both buttons on the front. Okay, now it doesn't want to agree with me. Let's do it again. And you get CF, press, oh, you gotta act fast here. Gotta act real fast. Actually, if you press, oh, now I'm into programming mode. How's that? See? Touchy on the fingers here. Let's depress both again. CF, woo! Okay, there we go, Fahrenheit. So press in both, as you can see, you gotta move super fast. Press in both, hit the up arrow, and you have your Fahrenheit temperature. You wanna go back to centigrade. Hold both in. My error. See, I make errors too here at First Line. And go back to centigrade, pressing the left button right there. So now we're back into centigrade. Now, an interesting point is, you could turn the coffee mode off for this particular machine. And the way to do that is press this left button in, coffee boiler's off. But if you put it into steam mode, we'll see if it comes on. And I hear steam. So you can actually operate the machine with steam only by turning off the PID, because this controls only the coffee and the hot water temperature, not the steam. Just keep in mind, on these single boiler, dual purpose, meaning coffee and steam modes, water doesn't automatically go from the reservoir to the internal boiler. And there have been some customers across a broad spectrum of machines who do not understand that. After you're done steaming, okay, you need to open up the valve, put it into, okay, water mode, hit the pump. Now what we're doing is we're priming the boiler. So there's no circuitry to take the water and bring it into the boiler automatically. You have to do this manually after steaming until you get a nice flow. And if you have the PID on, you want to get to your coffee temperature or a couple of degrees below. So let's turn that off. Close this. And right now we're at 88, 89, 87, and the temperature will start climbing. You want to kind of bring it a couple of degrees below. The reason is because the boiler is still a little hotter, and you want to bring it down a little bit, and then it'll heat back up to a more stable temperature. So two things: how to change from centigrade to Fahrenheit to centigrade, and operating the machine in steam only mode. And when you're steaming, remember to run water through the steam wand, get it into hot water mode. If your machine doesn't have a hot water mode, like there's other models by other manufacturers, put into coffee mode, run water through the group head and or the steam wand till the temperature comes down, or till you see a steady stream. So if you don't have a PID, wait till you see that steady stream and you're pretty much close to temperature. If you have any questions or comments please ask down below. You can click on the link for this fabulous Lelit espresso machine. It is a very good seller for us here at First Line because it's compact and does a really good job for the money. You can also ask questions right on our website. Please give me a thumbs up down below, subscribe to our YouTube channel, share the information, and have a wonderful day with always remembering coffee first, everything else second.